Hi, I'm Philmon, a lifelong rider and delivery professional. For years, I struggled with motorcycle storage that just didn't fit my needs. Too small, too bulky, or not secure enough. Sound familiar? That's why I created the Cyber Vault, the world's first expandable, secure, and versatile motorcycle storage solution. Designed by riders for riders, it adapts to whatever life and the road throws at you. Whether you're commuting, delivering, or exploring, the Cyber Vault gives you the flexibility, durability, and security you've always needed. This project is personal to me, and with your support, we can bring the Cyber Vault to riders everywhere. Join us today and ride into the future with storage that works as hard as you do.